Hi guys, how's it going? I know it feels like I've been MIA, but I'm really not. I have a lot of videos that I need to edit, recipe videos that I need to edit so that I can share them with you, some of the goodies. It's just that I've been so busy with works, and by the time I'm home, I'm like, oh, I'll do it later, and then I ran out of time, it feels. Anyways, for today's recipe, it is chocolate banana bread. My oldest loves it so much. I like slicing the banana bread for their school snack. It's pretty easy to make, and yeah, check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So this is 150 milliliter milk. You can use full fat milk, skim milk, 1% milk, or even plant-based milk with 1 medium size of lemon. We're gonna squeeze the juice and put it into the milk and wait for a bit until it curdles up. Now for the wet ingredients, this is 150 grams of dark brown sugar with 4 medium-sized ripe bananas. This is about 300 to 335 grams. We're gonna process them into smooth mixture. For the dry ingredients, this is 250 grams of enriched flour with 3 heaping tablespoons of Hershey cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a generous pinch of fine sea salt. We're just gonna mix it. Now we're gonna put this aside. So I'm using a food processor here, or food chopper. This is just the banana. We're gonna add in the sugar and 70 milliliters of olive oil, or you can use any cooking oil of your choice, and 2 teaspoons of Mexican vanilla blend. Not forgetting our brown sugar too. Here comes the oil, and don't forget the vanilla as well. Now we're gonna add in our curdled milk and blend it again. Gonna dump this liquid or wet ingredients into our dry ingredient bowl. Now you want to mix it until just combined, so do not overmix. And then we're gonna pour this batter into our prepared pan. I sprayed and lined the pan with parchment paper. I sprayed it with grease like so. Now we're gonna bake it until toothpick or a knife inserted in center comes out clean for about 40 to 45 minutes, depending on your oven. So good.